Every single tool on planet Earth that deals with infrastructure solves day zero. We can agree on that. All of them are great for initial rollouts, where there is absolutely no obligation to run anything. There's no obligation to monitor anything. There's zero obligation to have anything in place until you roll it out and this thing starts working. On the day one, things get a little bit more complicated because everything is moving. You have users who are introducing all kinds of load into your system that you probably never predicted before. There are adjustments being made by your team, there are adjustments being made by your developers, new code being constantly delivered, clusters being scaled, all kinds of updates being made, etc., etc. It's a living thing.
And it can't be down.
Right. Now, the interesting part is that when you look at how tools are built and used in the current ops space, they're all decoupled. It's basically you as a person who needs to hold all the threads in your hands to understand the things that you see in your monitoring and how to translate them actually onto your infrastructure. Now, when you put AI into place, AI is blind to anything that you are running out there in the wild. It doesn't know anything. You cannot even teach this thing, because the problem with the current tools is that if you feed it code, it doesn't mean that it's going to be up to date. In your code, you have 3 nodes in your cluster. In your real cluster, it's already 11. You have massively deviated. If it doesn't know anything about how things are operated and how they actually look like in the wild, you have no chance to make proper decisions.
Right, and it's further complicated by the fact that even the tooling itself is not great from going from state to state. Terraform really, in my opinion, is a day zero tool. It requires a lot of nuance, a lot of various staged execution to go from one state of the infrastructure to your desired end state. It's not just, make a code change and boom, I can do it. On anything complex anyway. There's usually multiple Git commits, sometimes multiple repository commits, sometimes software updates, and then finally you're at the next state. Trying to get that out of an LLM in one step is pretty much impossible.